Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Twitter marketing we'll discuss how to grow Twitter followers. That is actually everything. It boils down to that particular point. How I can grow my followers. What is the best techniques that I can implement or the best practices that I can think of implementing. Let us check them out what we have today. Growing followers, the key elements. What are the key and critical components and elements that are associated with growing the followers? Enticing tweets will be retweeted. The more you think out of box, the more you are innovative, the more you actually do be a bit creative, that will be more enticing. The more enticing the tweets, the more they will be retweeted. The more they will be retweeted, the more it will spread across. It will spread across multiple users. Say for example, you have 500 followers on Twitter and you have tweeted something that was very interesting. It generated curiosity, it created a trend. Let us say out of 500 people, at least 300 people retweeted it, or even 200 people retweeted it, and they may be having 500 followers each one of them. It means one tweet is reaching hundreds and thousands of people. That is huge, and that is actually you increase the visibility. The more you increase the visibility, people will be coming and checking out your profile page, and when they see your profile page, they will follow you, and that is actually the best and the most effective way of increasing the followers. It increases visibility, followers will increase. Absolutely, it will increase. It will multiply the number of users, followers. One good effective tweet. Consistently follow others. Consistently follow others doesn't mean that you go on a following spree, go berserk on following people. That is not the best way, and you should be avoiding that. That is not going to work. Consistently follow means follow people regularly. Check their credentials, check their bio, check their page, and follow the right kind of people, which is extremely important. Some of the techniques that you can think of implementing: correlation between following and follower. There has to be a correlation between the followers and the following. You have to belong to the same niche and the same domain. That is extremely important. Integration of other social media friends. Say for example, you have created an account on Twitter and you are actually doing very well on Twitter, and you may also be having friends on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. You need to integrate those people because you are already friends there, and you could be friends here if they are available on Twitter. That way you can increase your Twitter following significantly. Completely bio optimize. Optimize the bio completely with rich keywords. Let us say for example, you are a lawyer or a doctor or an engineer. Use those keywords effectively in your bio. That is extremely important. Optimize tweets with images and videos. Tweets with images and with videos have a larger increase in terms of visibility and awareness in terms of retweets. This is actually time tested formula. Tweet with images, high quality images and videos. Use relevant links in the tweets. There is no point in having a tweet where there are no links in it. Make sure you give links in the tweets, and links with the tweets actually have higher increase of clicks. These are some of the techniques that you can think of implementing, and some of the best practices: promote Twitter account on other social media sites and websites. Extremely important. You integrate your Twitter account with your website, get the tweets there. You put up the Twitter link on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. You need to spread this everywhere so that you can get multiple channels sourcing from different platforms and different sites, their blog, a landing page, a website, other social media platforms. Create a links externally and other places. Use hashtags consistently. Hashtag trends are extremely important in Twitter marketing. Use the hashtags extensively. Optimize bio with relevant keywords. Extremely important. The bio has to be completely optimized with relevant keywords. Tweet more on weekends. It is considered, according to our research, The tweets which you are tweeted in the weekends get more and more views and more retweets. Tweet more on weekends. Use follow button on website and blog. Integrate your Twitter on your website and blog by using the follow button. Twitter offers a free paid tool. Free tool, you actually get the code and integrate on your website, and it will appear on your website. And that is the best way one of doing on Twitter marketing to increase your followers. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is growing followers, the key elements, techniques to implement, and some of the best practices. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.